Learn fast English. Understanding at a gallop. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, at a gallop. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's jump right in and break it down together. At a gallop is a phrase that originates from horse riding, where a gallop is the fastest pace of a horse, with all the horse's feet off the ground at the same time during each stride. However, when we use this phrase in daily English, it's often to describe doing something very quickly or hastily. For example, if someone says, "The project was completed at a gallop," it means the project was done very quickly, perhaps even rushing through it. It's a vivid way to paint a picture of speed and urgency in whatever task is being discussed. Using at a gallop in a sentence is pretty straightforward. Here are a few examples to show you how it's done. She read through the report at a gallop, eager to understand all the details before the meeting. The builders finished the work at a gallop to avoid the coming rain. I went through the training materials at a gallop since I started the job on short notice. Notice how in each case, at a gallop suggests a sense of speed and sometimes a lack of thoroughness due to the haste. It's also interesting to note the cultural significance of the phrase, at a gallop. In many English-speaking cultures, speed and efficiency are highly valued, which makes this phrase quite positive in contexts like business or personal productivity. However, be aware that it can also have a negative connotation, implying that the work done may not be as careful or as well thought out as it should be because of the speed. And that's a wrap on at a gallop. Now you know what it means, how to use it, and even a bit about the phrase's background and cultural context. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll be able to use at a gallop with confidence in your own conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be handling English expressions with the ease of a seasoned rider at a gallop. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.